Brevo Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Brevo are in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into Brevo, a versatile business automation tool designed to help businesses of all sizes streamline their marketing, communication, and customer engagement processes. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, Brevo offers a range of features that can improve efficiency, save time, and drive growth. One of the key features of Brevo is its email marketing automation. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, creating professional-looking email campaigns is simple, even for users with no design experience. Brevo's email automation allows you to create personalized workflows triggered by customer actions, which means your communications can be more targeted and timely. This increases the chances of engaging leads and nurturing customer relationships. Brevo also offers a powerful CRM system that helps you track and manage customer data in real time. This enables businesses to gain insights into customer behavior, segment contacts, and create tailored campaigns that drive conversions. The CRM integrates seamlessly with other tools, ensuring you have all your customer interactions and sales data in one place. Another standout feature is SMS marketing automation. Brevo lets you create automated SMS workflows, ensuring you can reach your customers through multiple channels. With a high open rate for SMS messages, this can be a game changer for businesses looking to connect with their audience on a more personal level. Brevo's integrations with over 50 apps, including e-commerce platforms, social media, and customer support tools, allow for a smooth flow of data across your systems. This ensures your marketing campaigns are aligned with your business operations, creating a seamless experience for both your team and your customers. In conclusion, Brevo is a comprehensive automation platform that covers all aspects of marketing, CRM, and customer engagement. Whether you're automating email campaigns, managing customer data, or engaging via SMS, Brevo offers the tools you need to improve efficiency and grow your business. Check the description below for more details.